Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Doug from Bjorn Territory, and in this video I've treated myself to a little bit of terrain. Hi everyone, it's Doug from Bjorn Territory, and in this video I'll show you something different. I've treated myself to some terrain and tabletop maps. I hope you like this one. Check it out. Alright, the first thing I'm going to open is Battle Systems Tabletop Games Terrain. They're grassy fields, and it's pretty cool. Inside, you get really nice 2x2 gaming mats. 2 foot by 2, and you get 6 of them. Nice quality, good print. Nice rubber base, so it's not going to slip. To play on. And I got them from the Grumpy Pony for about £50. So, not bad. And very durable, very flexible. So here's the back of the box. There you go. So I'm going to set up on my table. Catch you in a sec. Alright guys, so I've set up a table. I put out my roads, my rivers,